everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you cake.
I'm going to celebrate my son's birthday, so I'm going to bake a cake for sponge cake. He likes mango, so I'm using fresh mango. Here are the ingredients. I've taken 1 cup mango juice. I've just taken the seed and taken the pulp from inside, and 1 cup is a vegetarian, so I'm not going to use any egg, so we are going to make use of condensed milk, 1 cup or 1 can, and 1 cup I'm using whole wheat flour. You can use maida or all-purpose flour, and I'm going to use 1/4 cup butter. This has to be room temperature, and some dry fruits. This is cashew nuts, almonds, and kismis or raisins. And I need 1 spoon baking powder. And let's start. I've already preheated oven, and let's start the recipe. I'm going to take all these ingredients together. First, I'm going to take wet ones, mango juice, condensed milk, I'm adding butter, I'm going to mix them well. Even if you think that your flour has some lumps, otherwise I'm just mixing it up properly and adding to the liquid mixture. You can add milk if you are taking banana or some fruits which doesn't have liquid content in that. I have mixed it properly, and you can use blender or jar or grinder to mix it well. I've used jar, and we need to take any mold. I've taken the glass one. I could like to use non-aluminium, that's the reason, or even steel works, but I don't think you may get steel ones because I have steel trays. May be possible or may not be. Now let me pour the mixture. I've used parchment paper already greased, and I'm going to add some dry fruits top up. You can make any pattern on this, but I'm just going to put it as it is. My oven is already preheated. I'm going to load this. Close it. and set it for 30 to 45 minutes. I've set up 30 minutes, and depending on the baking I'm going to increase. Let's see. My sponge cake is ready. Mango sponge cake. It took me 50 minutes on 350 degrees, but I realized that the width is more. If this is half, then it takes lesser time. Round container can be used for round cakes. Thank you for watching my video. See you with new recipe. If you like my video, share with your friends and subscribe for new notifications.